An assembly order increases the stock quantity of an SKU while reducing the quantity of its bill of materials. An assembly order can be created from the item layout or the sales order layout. When it is created from the item layout, it is a build for stock. When an assembly is created from a sales order, it is a back order. In other words, there is not enough in stock available to fulfill the order, and more must be assembled. A separate video explains the backorder process. To create an assembly order from the item layout, click the Create Order button. Enter the quantity to build and the warehouse where the component items are stored. This is also the warehouse that will receive the finished good at the completion of the assembly process. When an assembly order is created, its bill of materials are allocated. To see a list of where an item is allocated, go to the item layout and click on the blue circle I icon next to Allocated. The blue left caret icon will navigate to that order. Transaction records are created for the Build for Stock as well as the allocated bill of materials. On the assembly order layout, this assembly has an order value of Build for Stock. When an assembly is generated from a sales order, this will display the sales order reference number. The BOM list shows what is required for this build as well as what is allocated. There may be times when some or all of the bill of materials are not in stock and must be ordered from a vendor. In Trayse inventory, these are known as dependent orders. Dependent orders are discussed in another video. If the tasks have been entered for this SKU, they will appear in the Build Task tab. This assembly has one component that is tracked by lots and another that is tracked by serial numbers. The lots are assigned at the start of the assembly. Serial numbers are selected during the picking process. Click the Start Assembly button to begin the build process. A list of available lots will display when the assembly has a lot in the bill of materials. Select the lot you want to use and enter the quantity. It is possible to split the quantity between multiple lots. This will generate a pick for the bill of materials. The picking process is discussed in a previous video. Click the Complete Assembly button when the build process is completed. The item is now ready to be received and put away. Those processes are also discussed in a previous video. Transactions are recorded for each step along the way. The transactions illustrate how the bill of materials have been decremented and the finished good incremented.